Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 15th March, Nifty ends this week at 22,397 and Bank Nifty at 48,060. So in this video along with Nifty Bank Nifty we are going to see the important levels and views on commodities, and more importantly we are going to see how to identify the tops and bottoms. See, I'm not taking the examples from history because I'm taking the live charts for examples, and what are the information we need to see to identify the tops and bottoms. And I believe we have one segment very close to the top and one segment very close to the bottom. So this is the right time to learn this technique. So watch the video fully to understand the concepts clearly. Fine. See, Nifty 22,397, and in our midweek market update, if you remember, I said that there are higher chances for some consolidation may happen in the Nifty, and even if it comes lower, the price can visit 22,300 to 22,200. These are the levels we expected, and this is the chart we discussed from 8th March. One high to 22,660 and one pullback, and the price needs to reverse. So as of now the price is moving as per our expectation. So again, no views are changed in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the price moved higher to 22,660 and declined, and we expected 22,250 as the expected zone during the 8th March itself, and the price came lower. So we need to see whether we are getting the support or not. If the price gets support, the price needs to move higher, and see, here also we expected in our previous video some sort of consolidation, and the price is moving consolidation now, and some are marking like this, but according to me this is not the right way to mark. And if you mark like this, it will become an ABC. Okay, and I primarily analyzing the chart at the end of correction here or one more low. That depends on the next price action, but we're very close to the end of the correction, so I'm not marking it as currently as ABC. So this is the right way to mark the chart, and okay, if you mark like this, this can become an ABC, and the price may start moving higher, which is in line with the our expectation. Okay, so I'm moving with my expectation, and this is what I'm seeing in the chart now. So for the coming week we need to see what price does in this zone. See, the resistance is 22,560 to 22,580, and the support zone is 22,340 to 300, approximately 320, those levels. So if the price wants to move higher, it needs to break above this zone and needs to clear this high. But suppose if the price comes lower, the price can visit 22,250 to 300, and we need to see whether it is taking support or not. Okay, primary assumption, it may come lower and taking support and moving higher. So the moving higher is the view. Okay, if the price breaks below the zone in a speed manner, then only we can expect much lower in Nifty. But let us see. This is the primary assumption. So ABC. So in that case, it can be ABC or even 1, 2, 3 also, because I'm primarily going with the end of the correction here. Okay, anyway, we need to see how the price moves, but primarily I'm expecting higher prices in the equity markets. So this is the expectation for Nifty, and why I'm expecting this, I said the reason in previous video also. The same Bank Nifty. See, the previous price actions are all three waves. So you can ABC, 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 ABC. So it can become another set of ABC. That's the reason, and I said in previous video also. So for bullishness, yes, the price needs to come out of this trend line or this pattern, and the levels are like 48,350, or else, for example, if the price comes below this zone 47,850 to 47,750. So 47,850 to 47,750, if the price comes below this zone, yes, 47,610 to 47,450 can be reachable, and this we explained in previous week also. We need to see whether the price is giving a breakout right from here or coming lower and moves higher. For coming lower, this two zone should give up. Okay. So this is the approach on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, we are very close to the end of the correction, and yes, I took this example as identifying the bottom. Fine. See the intermarket divergence. Uh, Most of the people are not using this concept, but see the intermarket divergence plays a crucial role in identifying the turning points, either top or bottom. And remember, it is not the confirmation. Intermarket divergence is advanced clue. It may or may not. Okay, it giving an advanced clue that the current strength either decline or rally is near the end. For example, if I choose the daily chart, this is Nifty Bank, okay, and this is Nifty. What is intermarket divergence? It's a Dow theory concept. All the indices should move in a similar way. If there is any differences, we call it as intermarket divergence. And if you watch, I'm sorry, this Nifty, okay, wait, I will remove this. This Nifty from this low of 4th March not yet made a new low. Okay, the price rising and not yet made a new low. But if you check the Bank Nifty, this is the low for 3rd March or 4th March. Okay, and the price has made a new low. Okay, I think you can see this. Bank Nifty made a new low, but Nifty not yet made a new low. See, understand, not yet made a new low. That means the intermarket divergence is playing now, and this is an advanced close. That's why I said it's an advanced close. So as of now, since it is appearing in the support zone, I'm expecting some sort of bottom in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is why I'm expecting the turning in the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the reason for it. So this is the example for identifying the bottom. So just listen to the end of the video, and I will show a live example. There is a possibility of a top formation in the commodity segment. Okay, so let us continue to the next segment of commodities, and the first one is crude oil. See the crude oil also moving as per our expectation, and see again this is important zone, but if the price gives up this previous low, yes, it can come to 63. Okay, the $62-63, yes, it is possible, and from this only we need to see this is an important level. This zone is very important for the new highs or a big drop. I will show in the weekly chart. See, I currently mark it as if you watch it as an 1 2 3 4 5, it can be 1 2 3 or A B C, and this can be the complex correction, and this can end the correction by W X Y Z, like this: A B W X Y X Z. Okay, if this is the case, the price should turn and start moving higher, which is very significant information. Okay, but at the same time, this is a triangle, comes in the mid, but I'm assuming it is the primary view. But if the price does not support here and breaks down, and much more fall can be expected in the crude oil, but primarily I think it's a complex. So ABC, so it can end the correction and start moving higher. So this is the expectation, but the price is approaching the very important level on weekly chart. Okay, for the coming days, yes, we need to see price are currently at important support, but yes, there is a chance of coming low to 60 to 63. Okay, that is the zone may decide the further levels. Okay, so the next one is natural gas. See, I want to show some charts on natural gas. See, this one I shared on 1st March. Even I not took the screenshot. When the price was trading here, I said that a price may dip and move higher. Okay, see the price decline even to the exact level, and we expected the price to move higher from the exact level, and the price even the resistance also marked to these levels. And what happened next? You know very well that exactly price took support and reached the expected resistance. And I have taught even in YouTube, whenever the price reaches of expected resistance or support, we need to reanalyze and we need to find the ending confirmation. But by seeing this, there are a lot of chances of one more high, and that too expected. We discussed in the previous video that if the price moves above this line, this high, there are higher chances of 4.81 and then may decline. See, this is the difference between other analysis and our Elliott waves. And I will say some more information about the Elliott waves in the end of the video, but this is how you need to use the Elliott waves, forecasting the future. Okay, forward looking analysis. See, in price action method, we need confirmation, a breakout or breakdown. But here, yes, we agree we need some confirmation from price, but waves already give some uh, idea what the price may do in the future. And this is what the expected levels in natural gas. And you see what happened next. The price touches 4.81. See, just weak, okay, and then started to decline and already reaches. Now it is trading around 4.18. This I took on 13th March. See how beautifully the price uh, moves as per the waves. Okay, and so what we may expect in natural gas? Yes, the expectation is the price need to possibly reach 3.76, and this is what the expected level, and the price is taking consolidation now. So if the price consolidates here itself, okay, please remember, if the price consolidate here itself, yes, the price may dip one more time. Okay, and the price may even take support here itself around 3.88. This is a rough figure. For example, if the price takes support, we need to watch how the price bounces. It can even A, B, C also. That we will discuss as and once the price starts to move. So the same view in natural gas, the price may reach 3.88 to 3.76 if the price consolidates here. That's the keyword. Fine. Now we talk about the silver and gold. Before analyzing the gold and silver, let me share a chart. See this one, silver, this one on 1st March. Okay. See, the thing here is gold is approaching resistance. Okay. Gold is approaching some important resistance, and we already discussing that 3000 is possible in gold. Even you can check our previous videos. In multiple videos, I said that gold may reach 3000 after a dip. And here the confusion is if the gold reaches the important resistance, what the silver will do? This is my question. And even in previous video, I said that we need to wait for some more clues in silver. Okay, it can even move higher and come lower or straight away come lower. This is what the confusion in silver. But to speak about individually, silver is looking bullish. Okay, for a medium term, but gold in medium term, slightly, it may go higher, slightly go higher, but in medium term, it may face some serious resistance. So again, we need to watch closely gold and silver, and we need to take a call. Fine. So this is the idea behind the analysis. And see this chart, and I will practically say how we need to trade. See the level, see 30.75, and I analyze that the price may take support and move higher. And it may decline right from here, or even it may move above this resistance and come lower. So the concept here is the price is taking support. So if you understand the wave theory, my understanding is we need to take a long position in a support, and we need to take a short position in the resistance, and we need to see how the price moves. Okay, there are characters, there are wave principles, and it will guide you whether to continue or book in midway. So as our expectation, the price exactly took support at 30.75. See, this is the 30.75 levels and started to move higher. Now let us come to the gold. The gold also, see, this is the expectation. Hope you remember the identification of exact resistance around 2937, right? That level we already expected, and we expected a dip and one more higher. Okay, one more higher to 3000. This is what we discussed in multiple videos. But I expected one more low. Yes, in the pattern wise, I expected it can be ABC. That is what I expected in previous video also. Since gold can decline, silver can also decline. This is my expectation, but the price moved higher. Okay, the levels met, but the pattern does not follow the expectation. But as per levels wise, both dip and 3000 has been met. Okay, so now what we can expect? See, the thing here is the price at important resistance. Gold is important resistance. If you use the Fib work, it has reached exactly 2.618. Okay, see exactly the price at 2.618 and facing the resistance. So this is the reason for price is stopping there. I am saying the reason. Okay, I remove this chart. So 2.618 is very good resistance, and I remove this line. See exactly 2.618. Okay, and if you check the internal chart, this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if the price moves higher still, we need to first initially check the levels of 3030, 3030. Initially, we need to check the levels of 3030 to 40. Okay, that level we need to check. But before that, the price should form some temporary pause, a small pause and move higher. But if the price directly touches the 3030, then after a pause, the price can move to even 3090 to 3130. Okay, so in that case, the price, the third wave can end and the fourth may start. There are second opinion that the still third may go higher. Okay, but before that, I'm expecting some pause or pullback around these levels, either from here or here. Okay, in medium term, yes, some sort of resistance, and if this is the primary count, the price needs to come lower to 2400, but minimum the price, I think it can come to 2800 again. Okay, then we may decide whether it is one more high and coming lower to 2400 or directly coming to 2400. But this is the count, and in longer term the price may move to 3000, 250, 300 zone also in this particular wave. Okay, by applying the same method in silver, see silver is actually if the correction over, this can be the extension of bullish waves. That is where the difference in markets. So it should become a complex, then only it can match the gold, or it will change the gold to bullishness. See, but primarily gold is at resistance. I'm looking for resistance in silver also. And if the price consolidates and move higher, the price can reach between these two levels now, around 34.5 to this previous high of 34 point, approximately $35. Okay, so 34.5 to 34.85, the silver can reach. So this is the view on coming days, but we need to see how the price behaves in this zone, and for gold in this zone. Most probably this can be the resistance. Let us see. Okay, and if you look at the example for identifying the top, I remove the counts. Okay, see the silver high made was around 23rd October, and on 23rd October, say around this zone. Okay, the gold top was here. Right from there, the gold made a new high, but silver not yet made a new high. Okay, so the expectation is currently the gold and silver at intermarket divergence in the daily chart levels or even in weekly chart levels. So that may pause the trend. Okay, so it is appearing in the resistance zone. So possibly this is an advanced clue that intermarket divergence appearing in the resistance. So it may the advanced clue for forming a top in the gold and silver. For that, the silver should not close above this previous high. Please remember. Then only this intermarket divergence is valid. If the silver makes or closes above this previous high, then both gold and silver are making higher highs. But you can see that definitely you can see the difference, and that's why I said this is the resistance, and these two zones are resistance, And if silver and gold faces resistance here in these zones, the intermarket divergence starts to play and it may decline. So in medium term, gold and silver are at resistance zone only. So the invalidation is only when the price moves above this zone. So don't take it as any kind of recommendations, and I'm not saying the gold and silver levels for trading purposes. This is the view for medium to longer term. Okay, so don't take it as any kind of shorter term positions or levels based on this opinion. And the most important thing is, as I said, for almost a month now, discount is live in the website. If you wish to learn my Elliott Wave course, one of the most advanced practical Elliott Wave course with 400 plus Indian charts. See, I believe no one has used this 400 plus charts in the Elliott Wave course material. So I will say a few things about the Elliott waves. See, in earlier times, many people gave importance to the indicators. Okay, and after that, most people understood that indicators are just lagging, and they are following the price action. So they gave importance to the price action after that, and just they use the indicators for assisting purpose. And now I am saying that even for price action, waves are showing the path. Since this is contrary to the many people's opinion, it may look odd, and I 100% confident, and I believe that sooner or later, once you learn the Elliott wave, you too can understand that waves shows the path to the price. And even in today's video also, see a lot of examples. Nifty, only Elliott wave can do this, going higher and coming lower. Okay, not the resistance. When the price moving in the midway itself, we expected a resistance and a pullback and a support. See, as of now, the price is moving like this, and this is why I call it as waves leads the price. And natural gas, I showed everything, right? So if the price action is the most important thing, how wave knows the path for the price. So once you learn the proper Elliott wave uh, concepts, you too will agree with me that waves leads the price. And yes, of course, the price should give confirmation, but before that, we can have a forecast. And as I said in multiple videos, Elliott wave is a forward looking method. So I prepare this course as detailed as possible, and all minute things and characters, everything has been explained with proper methods, and everyone can understand the Elliott wave even if you are new to the wave theory. So if you wish to register my course, this will be the right time, and the course is offered at the discount before the price hike from the 1st April. I give all the details in the description. Just visit the website and see the contents, and you can decide. And my request is, please share it with your friends and traders who are very interested in the Elliott wave, so they can learn this most practical course for best price available in the market. So thank you. Trade safe. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Happy weekend. Take care.